Discover the power of green smoothies for a flatter stomach. Looking to flatten your stomach and feel lighter, healthier, and more energized? One of the most natural and effective ways to kickstart your journey toward a slimmer waistline is by incorporating green smoothies into your daily routine. These nutrient-packed drinks are not only refreshing and delicious, but also loaded with ingredients that can help you shed unwanted belly fat, reduce bloating, and support your overall well-being. While it's important to remember that there's no magic solution to target belly fat, green smoothies can be an incredibly powerful tool in your arsenal when paired with regular exercise and a balanced diet. Whether you're looking for a healthy breakfast option, a post-workout snack, or a midday pick-me-up, a green smoothie is always a great choice. Let's explore why green smoothies can be so effective and how they can help you achieve that flatter stomach you've been dreaming of. Why green smoothies are so effective for stomach flattening. Number 1. Packed with fiber for better digestion and satiety. Green smoothies made with leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are incredibly high in fiber. Fiber is your secret weapon when it comes to weight management and digestion. It helps to promote regular bowel movements, which can reduce bloating and water retention, making your stomach feel and appear flatter. Plus, fiber keeps you feeling full for longer, so you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks throughout the day. Number 2. Low in calories, high in nutrients. One of the best things about green smoothies is that they're naturally low in calories, making them an excellent option for anyone looking to slim down. Despite being low in calories, they are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. You'll be nourishing your body without overloading it with unnecessary calories, helping you to maintain a healthy calorie deficit, which is essential for fat loss. Number 2. Boosts metabolism. By adding ingredients like ginger, green tea, or cayenne pepper to your green smoothies, you can give your metabolism a natural boost. These ingredients are known for their thermogenic properties, meaning they help your body burn more calories at rest and during physical activity. A faster metabolism means you'll burn fat more efficiently, which can help reduce overall body fat, including in the belly area. Number 4. Fights bloating and water retention. Bloating can make your stomach look and feel larger than it actually is. Green smoothie ingredients such as cucumber, celery, mint, and lemon are known for their diuretic properties, which help to flush out excess water and reduce bloating. When combined, they create a drink that not only hydrates you, but also helps your body rid itself of toxins and excess water weight. Number 5. Filled with antioxidants and nutrients for overall wellness. When you're working toward a flatter stomach, it's not just about cutting calories. It's about giving your body the nutrients it needs to function at its best. Green smoothies are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support everything from healthy skin to better digestion to improved energy levels. When your body feels good, you're more motivated to stay active. And everything from your workouts to your sleep improves. The ultimate green smoothie recipe for a flatter stomach. If you're ready to start sipping your way to a flatter stomach, here's a delicious and effective green smoothie recipe you can try. It's loaded with metabolism-boosting, fiber-rich ingredients that will leave you feeling refreshed and satisfied. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh spinach or kale for fiber and nutrients. 1 healthy cucumber to reduce bloating. 1 green apple for a touch of natural sweetness and fiber. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, packed with fiber and healthy fats. 1/2 teaspoon fresh ginger for metabolism boosting and digestion. 1 cup water or coconut water for hydration and electrolytes. Juice of half a lemon to enhance digestion and fat burning. Directions: 1. Add all of the ingredients to your blender. 2. Blend on high until smooth, adding more water if needed to reach your desired consistency. 3. Pour into a glass, sip slowly, and enjoy. This recipe is the perfect combination of ingredients to keep your stomach feeling light and your body fueled with healthy nutrients. You can also customize it by adding ingredients like a handful of fresh mint leaves or a slice of pineapple for added flavor and digestive benefits. Tips to make the most of your green smoothie routine. To get the best results from your green smoothie routine, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Be mindful of sugar. While fruits are a great addition, too much fruit can add excess sugar. Stick to low-sugar fruits like berries, green apples, or pears for a deliciously sweet taste without the added sugar spike. Add protein or healthy fats. For a more balanced meal or snack, add a source of protein or healthy fats like almond butter, chia seeds, or flax seeds. This will help keep you fuller for longer. Drink consistently. Incorporating green smoothies into your daily routine can help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. Drinking 1 smoothie a day as part of a balanced diet can make a big difference over time. Stay active and hydrated. Regular exercise and staying hydrated are key to achieving a flatter stomach. Make sure you're moving your body regularly and drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Time to blend your way to a flatter stomach. By making green smoothies a part of your daily routine, you'll not only be nourishing your body with essential nutrients, but also taking important steps toward a healthier, flatter stomach. Remember, it's all about balance. No single drink will give you immediate results. But with consistency and a holistic approach to health, you'll begin to see positive changes. Ready to give it a try? Grab your blender, load up on fresh greens, and start sipping your way to a healthier, happier you. Your journey toward a flatter stomach starts with 1 delicious sip. Enjoy every refreshing, nutritious gulp, and embrace the changes you'll start to feel from the inside out. You've got this. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch and learn about the power of green smoothies for a healthier, flatter stomach. I truly hope you found the information helpful and inspiring. Remember, every step you take toward better health counts. And incorporating small habits like enjoying a green smoothie daily can make a big difference over time. Your health journey is unique, and I'm excited for the positive changes ahead for you. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and most importantly, enjoy the process. If you have any questions or would love more tips, feel free to reach out. Wishing you health, happiness, and a refreshing start to your day. See you next time.